Hello Junior 2, here is the homework for the lesson 95. The question is answer the following cluster problems. As I told before, the cluster problems are problems which are related to each other. The first one here, I have 48 minus 10. So what I do, I will take 1 from the tens. So the answer is 38. The next one, 48 minus 20. Again, I will make minus from tens. So 48 minus 20 equal 28. After this, 48 minus 30. I will take 3 from tens. So the answer is 18. The last one, 48 minus 28. Here, engineer, I have to subtract ones and tens. So I start from ones. 8 minus 8 equals 0 in ones. 4 minus 2 equal 2 in tens. So the answer is 20. For the next group, 56 minus 10, I take 1 from tens. So the answer is 46. 56 minus 20, I take 2 from tens. So the answer is 36. 56 minus 30 is 26. And for the last one, 56 minus 46, again, I have to make minus from ones and tens. So I start from ones. 6 minus 6 equals 0 in ones. 5 minus 4 equal 1 in tens. So the answer is 10. For the next group, 27 minus 10. Here I take 1 from tens. So the answer is 17. 27 minus 20. What I do, Junior, I will take 2 from tens. So what I have 7 in ones and 0 in tens. And 0 on left, no value. 27 minus 17. Again, I will make minus from ones and tens. 7 minus 7 equals 0 in ones. 2 minus 1 equals 1 in tens. So the answer is 10. The next group, 39 minus 10. I will take 1 from tens, so the answer is 29. After this, 39 minus 20. So I take 2 from tens, so the answer is 19. 39 minus 30. So it's equal 9 in ones and 0 in tens. And it's up to you, Junior, to write 0 in tens and cancel it or not to write it. Both are right. 30, the last one, 39 minus 29, I will make minus from ones and tens. I start from ones. 9 minus 9 equals 0 in ones. 3 minus 2 equals 1 in tens. So the answer is 10. 165 minus 10. Here, Junior, I will make minus from tens only. So what I have in tens, I have 6. So I will make 165 minus 10, so the answer is 155. For the other one, 165 minus 20, I will take 2 from tens only, so the answer is 145. 165 minus 30 equal 135. For the last one, 165 minus 45. Here, Junior, I will make minus from ones and tens. 5 minus 5 equals 0 in ones. 6 minus 4 equals 2 in tens. 1 in 100 minus nothing equal 1 in 100. So the answer is 120. For the last group, 74 minus 10. Again, I will take 1 from tens. So the answer is 64. 74 minus 20. I will take 2 from tens, so the answer is 54. 74 minus 30. The answer is 44. 74 minus 50 equal 24. And for the last one, 74 minus 44. I will make minus from ones and tens. 4 minus 4 equals 0 in ones. 7 minus 4 equals 3 in tens. And the answer is 30. Now, let's take our new lesson, which is number 96, place value models to regroup and subtract. But first, Junior, I have to make a quick revision about what I took before in shapes and 3D shapes and 2D shapes. The first shape I have in here yes, the first one is cylinder. So here I will write cylinder. So the first shape I have here is cylinder. After this, I have to get the number of sides or edges. So the cylinder junior, as I told before, it has no edges. So it's 0. After this, how many vertices? Yes, 0 vertices. The other shape is rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. After this, junior, I have to get the number of edges. I have how many edges in rectangular prism? I have, yes, as I told before, it's 12 edges. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. The other shape is the cube. I have how many edges in the cube? Yes, again, I have 12 edges and number of vertices is 8. The next shape is rectangle. And the rectangle, it has how many sides? And remember, junior, 2D dimensional shapes has sides, not edges. So the rectangle has 4 sides. And how many edges? 4 vertices. The next shape is triangle. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The last shape is square. And it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now, we can get our new lesson or a revision about subtracting by regrouping. Do you remember, junior, how I subtract? I start from ones. For the first problem, I have 47 minus 19. So I start from ones. What I have in ones? 7 minus 9. So 7 is smaller than 9. So what I do? No, I can't. I can't make subtract. So what I do, junior 2? Yes, I will subtract. I will borrow 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 7 becomes 17. Now 17 is greater than 19. So I will count after small to arrive big. What is the small? 9. And what is the big? 17. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers I have? 8. So I will write 8 under ones. After this, tens minus tens. 3 minus 1 equal 2. The next one, 43 minus 15. Again, I start from ones. 3 minus 5. 3 is smaller than 5. So what I do, junior 2? I borrow 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. Now 13 is bigger than 5. So I count after small to arrive big. What is the small? 5. And what is the big? 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8. After this, tens minus tens. 3 minus 1 equal 2. The other one, 72 minus 35. I start from ones. 2 minus 5. No, we can't. So borrow 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6. And 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 7. Right, 7 in ones. After this, tens minus tens. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 3 minus 6. 83 minus 16. So I start from ones. 3 minus 6. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 8. 8 becomes 7. and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 7. Tens minus tens. 7 minus 1 equal 6. 65 minus 47. I start from ones. 5 minus 7. Now we can borrow 1 from 6. 6 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 8. So I write 8 in ones. 5 minus 4 equal 1. 41 minus 19. I start from ones. 1 minus 9. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11. How many? 2. Tens minus tens. 3 minus 1 equal 2. 24 minus 9. So 4 minus 9, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 2, 2 becomes 1 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, 5 in ones. Tens minus tens, 1 minus nothing equal 1. So the answer is 15. 52 minus 3, start from ones. 2 minus 3, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 5, 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 9. After this, tens minus tens, 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0 on left, no value. 30 minus 15. So I start from ones. 0 minus 5, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 3, 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 39 minus 19. I start from ones. 9 minus 9 equals 0 in ones. 3 minus 1 equal 2 in tens. 66 minus 47. I start from ones. 6 minus 7, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 6, 6 becomes 5 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many? I have 9, so I write 9 in ones. 5 minus 4 equal 1 in tens. So the answer is 19. 59 minus 47, I start from ones. 9 minus 7, yes, I will not borrow because 9 is bigger than 7. So I will count after 7 to arrive 9. After 7, 8, 9. So this is 2. 5 minus 4 equal 1. So the answer is 12. 98 minus 89. I start from ones. 8 minus 9, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 9, 9 becomes 8 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many? 9. After this, 8 minus 8 equals 0. 0 on left, no value. 95 minus 86. Start from ones. 5 minus 6, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 9, 9 becomes 8 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9 in ones. After this, 8 minus 8 equals 0. 0 on left, no value. 87 minus 28. I start from ones. 7 minus 8, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 8, 8 becomes 7 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it's 9. So I write 9 in ones. After this, 7 minus 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 in tens. 57 minus 39. I start from ones. 7 minus 9, no we can't. Borrow 1 from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 8. 4 minus 3 equal 1. So the answer is 18. 909 minus 678. I start from ones. 9 minus 8. Yes, I can. 9 is bigger than 8, so I will not borrow 1. 9 minus 8 equal 1. After this, tens. 0 minus 7. No, we can't. So borrow 1 from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 3. 8 minus 6 equal 2 in 100. So the answer is 231. 146 minus 29. I start from ones. 6 minus 9. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 6 becomes 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 7. After this, 3 minus 2 equal 1. 1 in 100 minus nothing equal 1. So the answer is 117. 130 minus 99. I start from ones. 0 minus 9. No, we can. What I do? Borrow 1 from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 2 minus 9. No, we can't. What I do? Borrow 1 from 1. 1 becomes 0 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 3. And after this, I have 0. 0 minus nothing equals 0 and 0 on left, no value. 9. 469 minus 390. 9 minus 0 equal 9. 6 minus 9. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 7. After this, I have 3 minus 3 equals 0. 0 on left, no value. 472 minus 145. I start from ones. 2 minus 5. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 7. So I write 7 in ones. 6 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6. 2 in tens. 404 minus 1 equal 3. So the answer is 327. The last one, 531 minus 152. I start from ones. 1 minus 2. No, we can't. Borrow 1 from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11 equal how many? 9. 2 minus 5. No, we can't. So borrow 1 from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 7. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 379. The next page is homework.